Awesome. Well, welcome everybody. My name is Michelle O'Neill, and here's how this works, okay? So what we're going to do is I'm going to break down the 5 steps to daily pay with you. And then after that, I am going to, and we're going to break down the whole strategy with you as well. You're going to hear some really cool testimonials as well. Then after that, you guys, I want to talk to you about what you need to make the rest of this year to help you reach that income goal that you kind of set out to reach the beginning of January. So I'm going to need a few of you to actually participate with that. Okay. So we're going to do that. And then what we're going to do is we're going to open up for questions. Now, here's something that's really important, and that is the questions are for guests only. So if you are already a member and inside the community, go inside the community and you can get your questions answered, right? We're going to leave this for guests. We did 5 mentoring calls this week. And so that is for you guys. This tonight is for our guests because we want to make sure people have a clear understanding of exactly what we do. And so again, if some of